Wow, okay. In a constantly loud world, what we're gonna do today is ease into the flow, let time disappear, and paint. We're gonna let airplane noise, people pounding on things, dogs barking, and all that, we're gonna let it dissolve into the background, into the beautiful silence and flow. We are going for freedom, ease, and flow. So our subject will be birds. Our birds are sketched out. Now we're going to let loose. These first layers, we're just going for it. Paint sketching them. That bold first layer is coming through. We start blocking in some more color. These birds are going to be in the bright sunlight. Now to start exploring that color palette. We get some early finishing details just to layer them in here. We're still layering. Now it's starting to come together. These pieces were looking a little flat, so I got this gloss medium. I'm going to paint the birds with the gloss just to give them a shine, add some depth to them. Here's the finished birds. That gloss medium really made them pop. So that's it for this one. As always, I love you. Thanks for watching and have fun.